Namaste students. Students, in last class, find the HCF using prime factors method and then common factors we have discussed. Now, today, find the HCF using division method. You know all of you co-prime numbers. What is meant by co-prime numbers? If they do not have a common factor other than 1. So, 1 ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ co-prime numbers ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so keep it mind, co-primes are very important in the division method. So we can find the division, divide the numbers using the 1, using the ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎರಡೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರು ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋ ಪ್ರೈಮ್. Okay, first think the number. So this it can be divided, if it can be divided, if it not divide, so we can check it. Okay, sometimes it is not divide the numbers one number, so ಯಾವ್ದೋ number ಇಂದ divide ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, so that number we can call it as called numbers co-prime. When the co-prime numbers are come, we have to stop the division. So let us go for division method. 30 and 50, 30 and 50. So this is a division method. ಈ ರೀತಿ division ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So the numbers are even numbers. Listen to me. These numbers are even numbers. 0 here 0. Two numbers, 2 can be divided this number. Is it right? Yes. 2 1 the 2. So 1 remaining 10. 2 5 the 10. Next 2 2 the 4. Then 1 remaining 10. 2 5 the 10. So which number can taken? The two numbers can be, the ones place is 5, here ones place is 5. Divisibility 5, yes. 5 3 the 5 5 the 5 3 the 5 5 the. So these numbers are co-prime numbers. These numbers are 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers, which cannot be taken another number. So okay, so we have to stop the division. Now which are the numbers are in the outside, we'll be dividing the number. So okay, 2 and 5. So 2 5 the 10. Multiply these two numbers, we have get the HCF. Taken these numbers, get multiply, and we have taken find the answer. So now HCF is 10. That is the answer. Next, shall we go for second one? 84 and 105. Okay, using the division. 84 and 105. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ 2, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ 3. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3. ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. 8 and 4 12, 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 and 5 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 3. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕನ್ ದ 3 to the 6, 2 remaining, 3 8 the 24. 3 8 the 24. Next 3 to the 3 3 the 9. 3 3 the 9. 3 3 the 9. Next 1 remaining 5. 3 5 the 15. 3 5 the 15. Which number can we divide these numbers 28 and 35? Can we use the tables? Can we divide 7? 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 4, 21, 7 4 28, 7 5 35. Both the numbers are divisible, divided by 7. Now 7 4 the 7 5 the. Now these numbers are 4 and 5 are the co-prime numbers, because we cannot take any 1. So after that, so 1 better bare number divide agala. So we have to stop the division. Now taken the common number 7 into 3. 7 3 the 21. Next, so HCF is what? HCF is 21. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, now taken one more example. Okay, now the number is 420 and 360. 420 and 360. Let me divide the number. 420, 360. So the ones place is 0. We can using divide 5. Okay, 5 8 the 40, 5 for the 20. Is it 10? 5 to the 10. Next, can we check 3? Yes. 3 to the 6. 2 remaining, 3 8 the 24. 3 to the 6, 3 for the 12. 3 for the 12. Next again, taken 2. 2 1 the 2 for the 2 1 the 2 12 the. Next one, 2 7 the 2 6 the. Now we have to stop the prime factor division, because prime number we have get the prime number. Okay, so now check once again. 84 s 28, 3 to the 6, 3 8 the 24. Okay, 3 to the 6, 3 for the 12, 2 14 the 2 12 the 2 7 the 2 6 the. S, it is over. 7 and 6 are the co-prime numbers. We have to stop it because cannot be divide the number. So ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಗುರುಜಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್, ನೋ, it is not chance. Okay, so it is divide only one can be divide single number. So either numbers could divide ಆಗಬೇಕು. So taken the numbers, which are the numbers are there? 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so what is the value? 5 3 the 15, 15 to the 30, 30 to the 60, 30 to the 60. HCF is 60. HF is 60. This is the answer. So you can using the division method. Okay, these are the division method. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೋಪರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಕೋಪರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ division method ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now another one is main. Find the HCF of the following pairs and say if they co-prime and if they are co-prime. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ 1 ಆದ್ರೆ ದೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ 1ಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಸೇ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಒಂದು ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಇರೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 1-2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, in remaining questions you have to solve in the home. Okay, so now I will take the examples of fourth main. So fifth main is prime factors of the by factor tree method. Factor tree method already ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then now so these are the examples 21 and 22, 15 and 30. Okay, first we can take the division, divide the numbers 21 and 22. Check it. Guruji, this is odd number, this is even number, this is odd number. Is it right? This number divided by 3, but this number divided by 2. Okay, so this is 1 2, this is 1 3. 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, so which is the number? 1 121 the 122 2 the. So okay, so HCF is 1. HCF is 1. So 21 and 22 are co-prime numbers. 21 and 22 are co-prime numbers. Are co-prime. Co-prime. ಇವೆರಡು HCF 1. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರ್ ದನ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ co-prime numbers. ನೌ 15 and 30. 15 and 30 ಇವೆರಡು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? Can be divided, check. So 5 can be divided? Yes. 5 3 the 5 6 the 5 6 the. Yes. Next, can we check 3 3 1 the 3 2 the. Okay, SCF is 5 into 3. SCF is 15. SCF is 15. Okay, so 15 and 30 are not co-prime. 15 and 30 are not co-prime. Are not co-prime. So one ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು HCF, that those are not co-prime. One day ಬಂತು, so HCF is 1, those numbers are co-prime. Keep in mind. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ, ಹಂಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ co-prime ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, check the divisibility test. Okay, after the divisibility test, so we can write it. Divisibility test ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ HCF is 1. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು HCF 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. Keep in mind. Okay, so these are very important concept. Okay, today I hope all of you understand. So now I will go for exercise 6F. So some of the problems are there, I have to solve. Next one, exercise 6F. Now exercise 6F, sorry, 6FS. 6F. Now what is the 6F? 6F means statement sums. Statement sum problems. So we can using the Guruji, very best method is what? Using the HCF. It is division method. I told division method. I tell division method because so we can using division method. So we can understanding and finally we can, so common factors also taken common, but in the prime factors also taken common, but in the HCF, in the division method, no common. So we can take the directly numbers and then multiply easily. So that is HCF. Find the HCF division method is best method or proper method. Okay, so now using the division method, find out the greatest number and then without leaving any remainder, without leaving any find out ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ HCF ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ without leaving remainder, ಏನೇ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, that is HCF. Okay, so we can find out the HCF. Look at that. Find the HCF of 35, 40 and 55 without leaving any remainder. So they're asking for the find the HCF. So we can do it HCF. ಆ ಕಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ HCF ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, using the division method. Taken 35, 40, 55. Taken 5 because all the numbers 0 or 5 is there. 5 7 the 5 8 the 5 11 the. Is it right? 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40, 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5. So, okay, so now we can continue the division. No, these numbers are co-prime numbers because 1 2 numbers are odd number, 1 number is even number, so it is cannot be divide the number. Okay, now so we can, HCF is what? HCF is 5. HCF is 5. So can we divide the number using 5 without leaving any remainder? Yes. 5 7 35, it is exactly divide. 5 8 the 40, yes, it is exactly divide. 55, it is also completely divide, no remainder. So okay, this is the answer. Okay, now I will go for second one. Find the greatest number that divides. ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಂಬರು ದಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 33, 44 and 55. ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ HCF. ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ HCF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ HCF. 33, 55, 44, 55. 44, 55. So can we take 11? It is a prime number. So can we divide easily? Is it right? Okay. 11 3 the 33, 11 4 the 44, 11 5 the 55. 11 5 the 55. So which is the greatest number? The HCF is 11. HCF is 11. 11 in the divide ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 11 3 the 33, yes, it is divide. 11 4 the 44, no remainder. 11 5 the 55, never remainder. Okay, so remainder is 0. So this is called as HCF. This is the highest number or greatest number. Keep in mind. Okay, now I will go for third one. Okay, now look at that. Find the greatest number that divides 97 and 107 living as a reminder. Reminder ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಟ್ 7 is remainder. Which is a number? Which is a number? These numbers are 97 and then 107. These numbers are co-prime numbers. The HCF is 1. So how to find out the number? So the one plan is there. Subtract remainder to the given numbers. ಏನೇನು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. We have get the number. We have get the numbers. So after that we can find out the HCF. Okay. What is the number is given? Okay. 97 and 107. Yes, 97 and 107. First we have to find out the 97 answer. First subtract the remainder. 97 minus 7. We have get 90. Is it right? Yes. Next, 107 minus 7. We have get 100. Now we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. ಈ HCF ನಂಬರ್ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ HCF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗುರುಜಿ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಲ್ಲ? ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ HCF 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ division method find out the HCF. 90 and 100. So taken 5. Taken 5. So what is the number? 5 1 the 5, 5 8 the 40. 5 to the 10, 5 0 the 0. Next again 2. 2 9 the 2 10 the. 9 and 10 are the co-prime numbers. 9 and 10 are the co-prime numbers. HCF is 5 into 10 equals to 10. HCF is 10. HCF is 10. Now, so can we check that using the HCF? We have get the remainder 7. Check it. Check madri 97 and 10 in the 10 9 the 90. Yes, the remainder is 7. Next 100. Can we check 107? 107. Yes, check it. 100 10 10 the 100. 10 10 the 100. We have get the remainder. Yes, your HCF is perfectly right. Okay, this is the answer. So HCF is 10. So this is the greatest number. That greatest number is 10. That greatest number is 10. That greatest number is 10. Now same the rules. We have applied the same rules. We have to solve the second one. So fourth one question. Find the greatest number that divides 27 38 44 living remainder. ಇವೆರಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಗೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಈ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Original number. So which number we can easily? So 27 38 44 ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. So 27 is odd number, 38 it is even number, and then 44 is also even number. So ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ HCF 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So we can find out the original number. So we can subtract the remainder to the given numbers. We have get the normal one original number. So we using that number can be find out the HCF, and we have got the greatest number. Check the answer. Okay, 27 minus 2. 27 is your first number 2. Okay, what is your number? 25. Next 38 minus 3. We have get 35. Next 44 minus 4. We have get 40. So find out the HCF. 25, 35, 40. So we can using 5. Is it right? So 5, here 5, here 0. 5 or 0 is there in one's place. It is divisible by 5. Okay. 5, 5 the 25. Next to 5, 7 the 5, 8 the. Yes. So these numbers are co-prime numbers. We have to stop. What is HCF? HCF is 5. Can we check divide 5 using 27? 5, 5 the 25. 2 is remainder. 38. 5, 5, 5 7 35. 3 is remaining. Next, 5 8 the 40. 4 is remainder. This is the greatest number. Keep in mind. Okay. The greatest number is 5. Number is 5. This is your answer. This is your answer. Today, I hope all of you understand HCF by division method and then solve the statement sums. What type of given questions in the statement sum asking for the HCF. Okay, so these are the examples you have to solve, and exercise 6F also solve that. Okay, so today's what you write in the board, that is write in the HW, and then what I'm giving you the homework. What is the given homework? So exercise 6E, sixth main, third main, fourth main, fifth main. That is your homework. Okay, students, this type of problems you have to practice, and 1 or 2 times you have to practice it. Okay, without practice maths cannot be easy. Okay, keep in mind. So all of you practice, and then any doubts are there, and then I have to discuss in live classes. Okay, Monday onwards I will take the taken the classes, not for Monday, so I will take the classes of the live classes and discuss about the some doubts. Then, students, thank you so much.